Hi Shrishti, wish you a very 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 happy birthday dear. And of course this July is very very good for you. You have just started the new job and everything is going well, and I hope this will go well for you for lifetime.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Hey, happy birthday Srishti. Wishing you many many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health, wealth and happiness.
Wish you the very, very, very happy birthday and many, many returns of the day, sister. I have never met in my life a person who's so genuine and so soft like you.
Seriously, the day one I joined EY and I met you, I was like, this is a different kind of person यार. मतलब ऐसा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. Seriously, I never met a person like you in my life, and I don't think that I'll even meet in my life.
Hi Sushri, I hope you remember me. Happy birthday, yaar. Enjoy your day.
अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. ये साल आगे आने वाला तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लेकर आए, बहुत सारी अचीवमेंट्स, बहुत सारे मोटिवेशंस लेकर आएगा. प्लस आई थिंक यू ओ अस अ ट्रीट बिकॉज यू बीन सेइंग दैट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट अभी तक मुझे कोई ट्रीट मिली नहीं है.
मेघाना जी गिव यू ऑल द हैप्पीनेस, सच में दिल से. वो ऐसे ही तुझे हमेशा खुश रखे, तेरी सारी तमन्नाएं पूरी हो. दैट आई रियली विश फॉर. I am really glad and thankful to the God that you came into my life. And ऐसे तुझे हंसाते रहूँ, समझाते रहूँ हमेशा. I really wish to continue this bond for many years to come.
The way you keep motivating me and Neha for the exams and everything, ऐसा लगता है यार कि कोई मतलब किसी और को भी हमारी पढ़ाई से, हमारी बाकी चीज़ों से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. एंड यू आर नॉट शोइंग इट, वो तुम्हारे दिल से आता है. एंड दैट इज़ द थिंग दैट इज़ मेकिंग यू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एवरी वन.
Hi Srishti, yes, wishing you a very very happy birthday. May God bless you with compounded success, joy and good health. And I hope you make it big here at EY. I wish you lots of happiness. I hope you have a great day and a great life ahead.
Many happy returns of the day to the prettiest girl on the earth. You always make the aura around yourself so enjoyable. Your maturity and innocence at the same time is reflected so beautifully. People are literally crazy fan of your smile. So keep smiling and keep rocking.
Whenever you need me, I will be there for sure. टेस्ट करके देख लियो.
You are one in a million people whose smile can make anybody's day like never before. Wishing you the same forever with everything you want to achieve in your life. Hi sister, wish you a very very happy birthday. May God give you all the happiness and joy and bless you with the good health. Okay, and I'm very happy that you have been selected in EY, and I pray to the God that you will reach to the highest position in that company and your name will be written with a golden letter in that company one day, and definitely it will, because I have believe in you. I have made a very strong bonding with you during those 3 months, and this bonding will definitely will last forever.
Happy birthday, beautiful. Ever since the lockdown, I miss your compliments the most. Because आज तक जितने compliments तूने मुझे दिए हैं ना, उतने किसी लड़के ने पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं दिए होंगे. Both quality wise and quantity wise. Anyways, wish you a very very happy birthday. Enjoy your day and all the best for the new beginnings.
A very happy birthday. May God give you all the happiness in the world. Stay happy and stay blessed always.
So finally, your birthday is here. Happy birthday. I remember the first day in office when we were sitting in the cafeteria, and you were so curious to know about the upcoming things, and you had so many questions in your mind. Slowly and gradually you got all the answers to it. To describe the real you, words would fall short. Personality, which is so adorable. Your nature, which is so caring and loving. Your heart, which is so pure and true. I adore everything. Your green tea, GT, your beetroot, your cooked food, everything. And how can we forget about the results date? We saw it together. You were so happy. That's what makes you different amongst all.
Happy birthday to the girl with a wonderful heart and a generous soul. You are such a adorable soul, Srishti, and it's been amazing to have you as a friend and a colleague. I'm really grateful that we met in EY, and I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day, and तेरे लिए जितनी तारीफ करो उतनी कम है यार. Just stay happy.
My best wishes to you and the entire family for this big day, since this is your first birthday after qualifying, so it has become more special. Enjoy not only this day but every upcoming day of your life. Take care.
प्लीज़ एक केक काटना, आज के दिन केक ज़रूर काटना. अगर तुम खुद बनाना चाहती हो तो तुम खुद भी बना सकती हो. अगर मैं तुम्हारे पास होती तुम्हारे लिए खुद एक एगलेस केक बना के लेकर आती.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Missing your habit and have no a lot, and since you already have rejoined EY, so you can expect a handful of naughtiness from me as always. तो जतन करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. So I'm expecting at least you won't cry for today. Have a बेहतरीन birthday.
अंबर च जिन्ने तारे, सागर च जिन्ने मोती, रब तेनू उन्नी खुशियां बख्शी, ते खाबो तेरे पूरे सारे दे सारे.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. Keep on smiling. Have a blast. And we'll celebrate it once the COVID is over. Happy birthday.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
Wishing you a very happy birthday and congratulations for your new joining and और भी congratulations for this lockdown birthday. घर पे बैठो, घर पे enjoy करो, and I hope ये birthday और भी यादगार रहे. And I hope this unexpected video of mine gives a smile on our face. And very very congratulations and all the best for your future.
I'm blessed to have such an amazing person in my life. Thank you, Srishti. Thank you for everything. You have always been a focused and dedicated person, and you have worked incredibly hard to achieve the position where you are today, and there are a lot more to achieve.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Srishti. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, Srishti. Stay blessed, stay happy. May Guruji fulfill all your dreams. May this coming year be full of happiness and joy. Keep smiling, stay blessed. Bye-bye.
हाय कट्टो, हैप्पी बर्थडे लड़की. आज तो 17 जुलाई, बर्थडे आ गया. 1 साल जवानी का और झड़ गया. ये तू कहाँ जा रहा है भाई?
अरे मैं जा रहा हूँ साइकिल चलाने भाई. कितनी बार बताऊँ तेरे को?
अबे सृष्टि को तो विश कर दे, उसका बर्थडे है आज.
ओ अच्छा, आज बर्थडे है उसका. हैप्पी बर्थडे सृष्टि, गॉड ब्लेस यू.
हाँ चल निकल अब.
Many happy returns of the day, and good luck for the upcoming career. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay strong. Stay C60 Vijay.
हमारी तो दुआ है कोई गिला नहीं, वो गुलाब जो आज तक खिला नहीं. आज के दिन आपको वो सब कुछ मिले जो आज तक किसी को कभी मिला नहीं. दिल से मेरी दुआ है कि खुश रहो तुम, मिले ना कोई गम जहाँ भी रहो तुम. समंदर की तरह दिल है गहरा तुम्हारा, सदा खुशियों से भरा रहे दामन तुम्हारा. Always keep smiling, and I have every memory of us together at EY. Almost all the memories I have in here. All the get-togethers. Almost every day we had a get-together at the lunch time, right? So I cherish them the most, and I miss you.
I really wish wherever you go, whatever heights you achieve, just stay the pretty, adorable and admirable, brilliant girl as you always are.
Happy birthday once again, Shrishti. Enjoy your day, have a blast, and I miss you, and I love you too. Bye bye, take care.
Once again, a very happy birthday.
And happy birthday once again. Bye.
Stay blessed, stay home. Happy birthday again.
May all your dreams come true. Keep smiling. Enjoy your birthday. Once again, wishing you many, many happy returns of the day, Srishti.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday once again, dear. Take care. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday again.
Bye bye.
And Hanji, keep smiling like always. Because your smile can be the reason of someone else's smile.
So keep smiling and stay blessed. Kanaji is always with you, and so are we. Bye bye.
Say hello to Krishan ji. Thank you. Love you.